Hello everyone, welcome to Hunts's Creations. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build 5 LEGO Halloween items for LEGO Halloween Specials Part 2. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build these 5 Halloween items. The Lollipop, the Candycorn, the Candy, the Ghost, and the Skull. First, I'm going to show you how to build the black and orange Lollipop. These are the pieces you need. 5 2x3 bricks, 4 2x2 bricks, and 5 1x2 bricks. Let's build. Another way to make a lollipop, all you need is these pieces. Ta-da! Next, I'm going to show you how to build the Candycorn. These are the pieces you need. 2 2x3 bricks, 6 2x2 bricks, 4 1x2 bricks, 1 1x1 brick, and 1 stud. Let's build. Now I'm going to show you how to build the candy. These are the pieces you need. 2 2x2 bricks, 2 1x2 jumper plates, 1 1x1 gray pin, and 4 studs. Let's build. For these, you use a technique. You put this pin in this hole right here, and then you put the other side in here. to build the white and black ghost. These are the pieces you need. 2 2x4 bricks, 1 2x3 brick, and 10 1x2 bricks. Let's build. Ta-da! Finally, I'm going to show you how to build the small white skull. These are the pieces you need. 1 1x1 brick, 1 1x1 cylinder brick, 2 1x1 snot bricks, 1 2x2 rounded plate, 2 1x2 plates, 1 1x2 plate with a bar, and 2 1x1 hook feet pieces. Let's build. If you don't have these two pieces, all you need to replace them are just one 1x2 grilled tile and one 1x2 plate with 2 hooks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do share this with your friends and family. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye-bye!